stop. If you're thinking about buying Smart AI Manager, there's something you need to know first. Smart AI Manager is the world's first AI brain OS, a universal memory system that remembers, organizes and instantly finds every prompt, chat, image, video and idea you've ever created across ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Midjourney, and 20+ AI tools. No more, "Which tab did I do that in?" panic. No more lost prompts. No more chaos. So here's the big question, is Smart AI Manager really the future of AI organization or just another dashboard app? In this review, I'll show you exactly what Smart AI Manager is, how it works, who it's for, the pros and cons, and whether it's actually worth buying. Plus, if you decide to grab Smart AI Manager through my link below this video, you'll also get my exclusive bonus package worth $599 absolutely free. What is Smart AI Manager? It's a complete AI memory OS that connects to all your AI tools and remembers everything you've ever created. Universal search across ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Midjourney, Runway, 11 Labs and more. Smart Vault that auto-files documents, images, videos, prompts, chat, project-wise auto-organization, AI agents that auto-tag and summarize your work, Daily Insights dashboard to track productivity, client and team workspaces for agencies and commercial license included. Benefits, why people are interested. Universal memory, one brain for all your AI tools. Find any prompt, chat or file in seconds. No manual filing, no chaos. Commercial license, organize client AI projects and keep 100% profit. Lifetime access, pay once, use forever. Inside, Smart AI Manager you're getting universal search bar with semantic precision, Smart Vault auto organizer, project-driven workspace management, AI agents for auto-tagging and summarizing. Daily Insights dashboard, lightning-fast cloud sync across devices, client and team command center, unlimited commercial license and 30-day money-back guarantee. Honest pros and cons. Now let's talk honestly. Pros. Complete AI memory OS, not just a notes app, beginner-friendly, no technical skills required, unlimited projects, unlimited niches, commercial license for agencies and freelancers and one-time payment, lifetime access. Cons. No guaranteed income, results depend on how you use it, requires consistent use to unlock full value. Results. What to expect? Expect faster workflows, zero lost prompts and complete control over your AI projects. Freelancers. Deliver organized client dashboards instantly. Smart AI Manager turns scattered AI chaos into a single organized brain that remembers everything for you. Now here are my exclusive bonuses if you grab Smart AI Manager through the link below. Bonus 1 DFY Prompt Vault. Value. $299. 500 plus proven prompts auto-organized into your Smart AI Manager Vault. Bonus 2 AI Client Setup Kit. Value. $300. Templates and workflows to onboard clients with organized AI dashboards. Total bonus value. $599 yours free when you get Smart AI Manager through my link today. So, is Smart AI Manager worth it? If you want to stop losing your best AI work and start running a fully organized AI business, then yes, Smart AI Manager is absolutely worth it. Click the first link in the description to secure Smart AI Manager plus my $599 bonus package today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.